How to make chocolate chip cookies. Grab your mixing bowl and chocolate chips for cookies that will make you feel like a kid again. You will need 1 pound of unsalted butter, softened, 1 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of packed light brown sugar, 4 large eggs, 6 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Equipment: 2 cookie sheets, an electric mixer, and a cooling rack or plate. Optional: parchment paper. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and set aside 2 greased cookie sheets. You can line your pans with parchment paper instead of butter, shortening, or spray. Step 2. Using the electric mixer, cream together the butter and sugars in a large mixing bowl. Step 3. Add the eggs gradually, beating after each addition. Step 4. Mix in the flour. Add the remaining ingredients, mixing well after each addition. Step 5. Use a tablespoon to scoop the cookies onto the baking sheets, 2 inches apart. Step 6. Bake the cookies for 15 minutes or until they're golden brown. Remove them from the oven and cool on the cookie sheets for 3 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack or plate. Did you know? In the 1930s, Ruth Graves Wakefield accidentally invented the chocolate chip cookie when she added pieces of semi-sweet chocolate to her butter cookie recipe, expecting them to melt into the dough.